Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how we can install Ubuntu 22.04 on Windows 11. First press your Windows key and type PowerShell. Now click on this arrow next to Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. You will be asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click on yes, and now enter this command WSL install. Now this will enable and install WSL on your system. In my case, it is showing Windows Subsystem for Linux is already installed. In your case, if this is not installed, WSL will be installed in your system. Now after it is installed, you need to reboot your system. Once you have rebooted, what you need to do is press Windows key again and try PowerShell again. And again, click on Run as Administrator. Now this time, you can see what distributions are available by entering this command WSL online and then list. Okay, it's not in this order. First, you need to enter list and then you need to enter online, and now it will list the distributions that are available that you can install by default. Now you want to install Ubuntu 22.04, right? So select this and just right click on this to copy it and enter this command WSL install -d and then just right click or press shift enter. Okay, select this and then right click to copy and then right click again to paste. Okay, now it is working. So WSL install -d and then the distribution that you want to install, hit enter, and now the installation of Ubuntu 22.04 has started. Let's wait till the installation is complete. You can see the progress of installation here. So after a while you will see this message that says launching Ubuntu 22.04 and you will see this installing. This may take a few minutes. Now I've noticed that this just keeps at this message and it does not progress. But if I press Windows key and type Ubuntu, as you can see, okay, let me search again, Ubuntu. Ubuntu 22.04 is already visible here, but this is still showing as it is installing, but that's not the case. So if I type Ubuntu, I will already see Ubuntu 22.04 and I can just click on it. And as you can see, I'm already inside Ubuntu 22.04. If I enter Ubuntu commands or Linux command like ls-l or top to see processes, everything is working fine. So I think there's an issue with WSL here that shows installing even after this is installed. So I can just close this, and now I am inside Ubuntu 22.04 and I can run any Ubuntu command here. Let's check the version here. So as you can see, I am on Ubuntu 22.04. So I can close this, and if I, okay, let's close this again. If I want to open Ubuntu 22.04 again, I can just press Windows key and type Ubuntu and Ubuntu 22.04 is available. Click on this and we are now inside Ubuntu 22.04 terminal. So I can enter any Ubuntu command here like this, all right, and I can install anything here using Ubuntu commands like apt, and as you can see, it is working. So this is how you can install Ubuntu 22.04 using WSL. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.